Okay, so this is chia seed pudding, mango chia seed pudding, and we have the founder Nyla with us. Hello. And Ayush, how do you find it? Yeah, yeah, and it's something that apparently.
Mango and coconut mix.
Yeah,
Okay. Wow.
absolutely.
Wow, and this little bowl is available for 250 bucks on Swiggy.
Yeah.
Oh,
It'll be available on Swiggy. I'll be boarding Swiggy in the next 2 weeks' time.
okay, and it the brand is called Sweet Tooth by Nyla.
Yes.
Okay, so looking so pretty. So, so Ayush, is this something you would like to eat as a, you know? It's good. So then Mama will take one bite, then you can take the whole dabba and go there. So, because it's good for health and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so see, Naila Didi came all the way just to get you the thing. So would you recommend it to everyone, Ayush?
Yeah.
Okay, so that is Ayush's reaction. Last video got more than 1,000 views with this young man. So, so wow, see, he's having it on his own. That means it's spontaneous. Good, awesome.